Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your name in Roblox. First up, open your Roblox app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the three dots right here at the bottom right corner of your screen. And here, scroll down until you find the settings. So click on this gear icon, which is the settings. And then from here, tap on the account info right there at the top. And just need to wait for a few seconds. And from here, you will find account info, or under the account info, you'll find display name. So basically, tap on the pen icon right there at the far right of that display name to able to change your current name. So basically, just need to enter your PIN if you have a PIN. And once you've done, tap on unlock. And here you can change your display name. That's all. That's how you basically change your name on Roblox. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.